Assalamu alaikum students, this is Farwa Batul, your O-level computer science instructor, and welcome to another video of chapter number 10, Boolean logic. Since we have started activity 10.4, so this is going to be question number 1, part B of the same activity 10.4. So here you have to draw the logic circuit and complete the truth tables for the following logic or Boolean expressions. In part B, the expression that is given to me is y equals to not A and not B. That's your first bracket. Then there is an AND operator, and the second bracket is not B or C. So both of these brackets are being connected with an AND gate. So let me quickly make the logic circuit first for the given expression. Okay, logic circuit. Remember that when you are making the logic circuit, first you will see the brackets, the inner brackets. So the first bracket that I have is not A and not B. So I will be making circuit for the first bracket, that is not A and not B. The input variables that we have is A and B. So I will be making two lines. This is your input A and this is going to be your input B. Now look at this. A is written as not A and B is also written as not B. It means that both of these input values are going through an inverter so that they will be inverted or they become not A and not B. Once we are done, we pass the input A and B through inverters, then not A and not B are connected through an AND gate. So both of these input lines will be connected through an AND gate to get the result as not A and not B. Okay, so the first bracket is done. Now quickly moving towards the second bracket, that is not B or C. Not B or C means that we will be taking input B again and input C. There is a third input line that will be C. And in this expression, B is written with not. It means that input B is again going to through an inverter so that we will get not B for the second bracket and C is going directly. Not B and C are connected through an OR gate. So we will make an OR gate here so that we will get the result of the second bracket, that is not B or C. Once we will get we will make the circuits for both the inner brackets, then we will connect them through an AND gate. So it's very easy. Both of these lines, the input lines, the first one is not A and not B, and the other one is not B or C. They will be connected through an AND gate to give you the final result, and the final result is represented with a variable y. So we can simply write it y equals, here we will be getting y after passing them through an AND gate. So just y equals to not A and not B, and with the other input is not B or C. So this is going to be your final result, and this is the circuit, the logic circuit that you have to draw for this particular example. Now quickly moving towards the truth table. Okay, so here we go. I have already made the truth table on Excel. I'm just sharing it with you and just telling you that how we have to make the columns. So if you see your logic expression, there are three variables, A, B, C. So I have made three input columns, input A, input B, input C. Now, secondly, we will see that what are the inputs that are being inverted. So look at your logic expression. You have not A, you have not B, Again, you have not B. So we can make two columns, one for not A and the other for not B. So we will be having the inverted values of not A and not B since they are being used in our logic expression. Now, finally, I will make one column for my first bracket, that is not A and not B here. And the second bracket is not B or C. Once I'm done with these inner brackets, then I will do an AND operation between them and will write down the result in my last bracket. So let me quickly fill this for you. The first thing you need here is, since you have three inputs A, B, C, so there will be 8 different binary combinations. So you must know that how to make the different binary combinations. Let's do this. 0, 0, 0. First I will do for C, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Then 2 times 0, 2 times 1, 2 times 0, 2 times 1. And then 4 times 0 and 4 times 1. This is a standard way of making distinct or different input combinations for three input variables A, B, C inputs. Now let's invert the values of not A. Look at this. Input A is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. When we invert them, it becomes 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Next we have not B. So we will invert the values of input B. So it becomes 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, sorry, 0, 0. Done with not B. Now quickly doing not A and not B. It means here and here we will be doing multiplication. Since the word AND gate is basically the multiplication of your binary bits. So it becomes 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 0 is 0. We are done with our first bracket. Now quickly doing it for the next bracket, that is not B or C. So let's consider not B and C, input C. And what you have to do, you have to do an OR operation, or in other words, it will be an addition between them. So 0 plus 1 is a 1. Then 1 plus 1 is a 1. 0 plus 0 is a 0. Then 1 plus 0 is a 1. Then 0 plus 1 is a 1. Then 1 plus 1 is a 1. Then 0 plus 0 is a 0. And 1 plus 0 is a 1. This is how you are going to do the addition between input C and not B. So it is not B or C. We are done with the second bracket. Now finally, to get the value of Y, the final output, you have to do AND operation between these two brackets. Or in other words, it will be the multiplication of these input bits. Binary data. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 0 into 0 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. 0 into 0 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. So this is going to be your final result. We call it Y. So this is how you have to fill the truth table of example of part B. Question number 1, activity 10.4. So this is your logic circuit and this is your truth table. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any question, you can comment below. Stay tuned, stay connected. In the next video, we will be doing part C, this one, of activity 10.4. Stay tuned, stay connected. Bye-bye.